Kisaki, Japanese restaurant. Is this new? No, it's not new. I remember maybe 2 years ago. Oh, have menu. Special menu. I don't know, expensive or not. Also, I can show menu here. Kisaki. Sushi. Makimono, I don't know what is makimono. I know. Chicken. Fish. Ramen. Oh, it's good. The price, I think, is good price. Donburia. With egg. Okay. Alcohol also have. You can contact with special economic zone. Kisaki restaurant. It's good restaurant. If you want to sit outside, if you want to sit inside, outside, it's okay.